there, welcome back to Acti Learning. In this video, we're going to be showing you how to play Hot Cross Buns. Okay, let's show you how to play it.
1, 2, ready, play.
Now for this song, we're going to be using finger numbers, okay? So we'll be playing with finger numbers using fingers 2, 3, and 4. We'll be using the 3 black keys somewhere in the middle of your piano would be best. So make sure you know your note values, okay, semi-breves, minims, crotchets, so that you hold your notes for the correct amount of time. So let's double check. Does your hand look like this on a group of 3 black keys? If it is, then you're ready to play. Okay, are you ready? Let's play. Listen to the music and then we will start. When it says finger 2, you play finger 2. When it says finger 3 or 4, you play that finger. Okay, let's play. Well done. Do you want to try it one more time? Did you enjoy that? If you did, there's a lot more songs like this available on the Acti Learning YouTube channel, and there's also more songs available in the book Acti Learning Music Beginner Pack, which is available on Amazon now. Thank you for watching.